Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to book a hotel on booking.com without a credit card. Now make sure to watch this video till the end and you will be able to do it. Now first of all, select the location where do you want to book the hotel, select the dates and the adults as well, and just click on search. And once you click on search, it will take a few seconds and will show you the list of all the hotels that are available for you in the specific dates with the specific persons. So make sure to go to this section, and once you're into this section, so you will see all the details as well. As you can see, breakfast included, and here is free cancellation, and the second option is no prepayment needed. So you just need to find those hotels which are like giving this service, which is called no prepayment needed. If I move to the second one, as you can see, like this is a tick and they are giving this service as well. Like there might be some hotels which do not give this kind of service, no prepayment needed, so they might not be giving you this kind of service. Otherwise you can just click on see availability, which hotel is giving the service of no prepayment, and just click on reserve. You can just go through the details as well, or just click on reserve. And once you click on reserve, so you can just go through the details. Otherwise, if you have if you are a Genius member, so you can just click on it. Otherwise, just click on this option. They are basically giving a discount in this section as well. And once you are into this section, make sure to go through all the details, and after that scroll down and just click on next final details. Make sure to fill out all the information, and after that you will be able to book the hotel in booking.com, and they will not charge you, or they will not require a payment method in this section. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.